Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video, guys. So I'm here with my Huawei watch GT Runner, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the haptic feedback sound. So that's the vibration that you feel when you turn the crown button here on the side. So yeah, you might prefer to have it silent like I do. To be honest, I do not like the vibration that I feel when I turn it each time. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. So just simply press the home button here on the side and go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says sounds and vibration, and then just scroll down to where it says crown haptics and just turn that little switch off. And now when you turn the button, you will not feel the vibration. And what you can also do, if you do like the vibration, but it's a bit too strong, just simply go to vibration and you can turn it off from here, or you can select soft. So now the vibration, it's not as strong, it's a lot softer now each time you turn the crown button. But me personally, I like to keep it off. I do not like the vibration. So now it's off and I'm good to go. So yeah, guys, that was just my quick video showing you how to turn off the haptic feedback button on the crown. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.